sun, always see the night.
Hey, what's good, family? We back in the studio with another video for y'all today. We're gonna be going over the Supreme Week 4 live cop. I managed to successfully cook up this week, and I want to show y'all what I ended up going for and what I ended up getting out of everything that I ended up going for. Make sure you leave a like on this video if you're doing up enjoying, subscribe to the channel, and click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Those are the 3 most important things if you are trying to support the channel. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I feel like there was so many people that low-key slept on the drop or just thought that the drop was ass. In my personal opinion, the drop was actually fire. The collab was clean. I love the execution and what they went for with the whole collaboration, to be honest. I'm refreshing, hoping that the shit load up, and it does. I clicked the Crow tee and I'm looking through the colors. I'm like, damn, what color do I get? I ended up going with the black color. I put it in an XL, added it to my cart, and instantly went to the long sleeve and put it in that brown color. I thought that one was sick, so I go ahead and add that, add all my information in. Obviously all the shit they all already know. I'm doing this on Google Chrome, by the way, so all my information is auto-filling. Literally my cards, I had to do a captcha and everything right here. The captcha was hella hard, bro, like mad hard. The tee sold out, so I'm like, fuck. I go back and I add it in a size large, which I can low-key fit now. Add all my information in, and once again, I'm basically just putting on my shit, you feel me, the card and all that. And right here it's processing. As you can see, it low-key did take a minute, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like speeding this shit up right here. I did end up getting both of those pieces in a single cart. It ended up coming out to like $108, which isn't that bad. Both of these pieces were clean and I cannot complain for getting them. I go back to the hats. I'm like, damn, are these shit still available? Fuck it. I'm scrolling through them. Brown one, gone, bro. No chance. I went to the hoodie and I'm looking through it. I'm like, yo, people really slept on this collab. Like, let me know what y'all thought. But honestly, I thought this shit was a banger and a lot of people just didn't really care. I feel like as far as resale goes, as time goes on, we will see the Crow collaboration go up in price, and it's one of those things where people are gonna look back and be like, what the fuck, why didn't I pick that shit up? The Crow collection definitely was solid. I'm glad I at least was able to get the 2 tees. Unfortunately, I didn't get the brown fitted, which was a solid pickup from this week, but it is what it is. You can't win everything. Honestly, I thought I was gonna take 100% L, so I'm excited that I'm actually gonna have some of these pieces in hand for you guys. But that's pretty much it for the live cop. This video is gonna be on the shorter side. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the post notification bells, because I promise y'all, bro, I'm bringing y'all hella content, bro. Fresh new shit too, not just Supreme. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Giveaways are coming soon. If you stay tuned long enough, you'll see what's up. We about to glow the fuck up. 100K is coming. I don't know when it's coming, but it's coming and we working towards it. So make sure you support. And hey, let me know what you cooked up this morning. Did you even cop anything? Were you trying to go for anything and took a L? Just let me know what happened. Did you also take a W? Hey, your latest W. Let me know your latest dub in the comments below. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.